Hari Bol! How is everybody doing? I hope good. So today, Mahi and Shivansh, would you like to share the strength and power of Narasimhadev?
Yes.
Mahi, would you like to start? What is the first thing you remember about Narasimhadev? So if somebody is doing meditation on Narasimhadev, what should they think of?
Narasimhadev used to wear a garland of intestines which were dripping blood.
नरसिम्हादेव जी के गले में एक इंटेस्टाइन की माला थी, दैट्स ड्रिपिंग ब्लड. इंटेस्टाइन की माला उन्होंने क्यों पहनी थी शिवांश, आपको पता है?
Because he was so angry. He was gonna destroy the whole world like Shiv Bhagwan.
शिवांश, आपको पता है कोई और क्वालिटी?
If he roars so loud that it can kill an elephant.
Yeah, from fear. So if a mummy elephant is carrying a baby in her tummy, भगवान जी की रोर इतनी लाउड थी शिवांश कि उस एलिफेंट की टमी के अंदर ही उस बेबी की डेथ हो जाती. इट वाज सो लाउड. सो रिमेंबर, जब कोई बहुत ज़ोर से लाउड नॉइज होती है, कैसे हम अपनी ब्रेथ होल्ड कर लेते फॉर अ सेकेंड. जब भगवान जी रोर करे थे नरसिम्हादेव, सो दैट्स व्हाट गोइंग ऑन. व्हाट एल्स?
Narasimha ji had eyebrows of a snake.
या उनकी आईब्रोज इतनी बड़ी थी शिवान, जैसे स्नेक्स स्लिदर अराउंड कर रहे हो. ही वाज सो स्कैरी.
His ears were the size of mountains.
His ears were standing like two mountains. It's like when some animal is ready to charge on you, what happened to their ears?
They start to go up.
Right? ऐसे नरसिम्हा भगवान के ears थे.
His eyes were like sun. You couldn't even see them. You could faint.
Yes. आप कभी अगर सन को देखते हो?
His tongue was as sharp as knives.
Not knives. Yeah, it was like razor sharp. भगवान जी की टंग इतनी तेज, इतनी sharp टंग थी कि अगर कोई छू दे, then they die just by touching it. What about his teeth?
They were they're like shark's teeth.
Yeah, they're like chomping alligator teeth. शिवांश, एक बार कोई उसके आ जाए टीथ के अंदर, भगवान ने ऐसे पूरा फाड़ दिया था. रिमेंबर हिरण्यकश्यप को, राइट?
His nails were like blades.
His nails were not like blades. आपको पता है हिरण्यकश्यप कितना स्ट्रांग था कि थंडरबोल्ट भी कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकती थी हिरण्यकश्यप का. Like when इंद्र attacked हिरण्यकश्यप is like nothing happened. But हिरण्यकश्यप को भगवान जी ने सिर्फ अपने नखून से मार डाला. So can you imagine the force that भगवान जी के nails में कितनी पावर थी? He can rip open हिरण्यकश्यप.
I don't know.
That much power, like we can't even imagine. He's a powerhouse of power. What else? भगवान जी का जो मेन था, that means his face. Remember lions के जो बड़े बड़े hairs होते हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मेन. तो जो भगवान जी का मेन था, ऐसे ब्लड ड्रिपिंग हो रहा था उसमें से.
Why was there blood dripping?
Because भगवान जी ने क्या किया था? भगवान जी rip open first with his nails, and then भगवान जी के मुंह में से खून आ रहा था because भगवान जी take a bite on him, and that's how भगवान जी take out his intestines out. आपको पता है इंडिया में क्या होता है? इंडिया में नहीं, एक्चुअली सनातन धर्म में क्या होता है? When somebody comes to your house, when you bring them in, आपने ऐसे देखा है कोई ऐसे फ्लावर्स बनाते हैं उनको?
हाँ.
तो भगवान जी ने बोला हिरण्यकश्यप ने तो मुझे कोई फ्लावर नहीं बनाया, तो भगवान जी ने खुद ही उसके इंटेस्टाइन्स निकाल के उसकी गार्लैंड पहन ली अपने गले में.
उनको गंदा नहीं लग रहा था.
माई ही वाज सो मैड, क्योंकि हिरण्यकश्यप ने कितने सारे सिंस किए थे प्रहलाद के साथ, है ना? इसलिए फिर प्रहलाद को क्या लगना चाहिए? अगर शिवांश होता प्रहलाद की जगह, तो शिवांश क्या करता?
को भाग जाता.
तो प्रहलाद ने क्या किया?
I went to भगवान जी, try to calm him down.
यहाँ आपको पता है शिव भगवान, लक्ष्मी माँ, कोई भी नरसिम्हा भगवान को काम डाउन नहीं कर पा रहा था.
And Lakshmi Ma is his own wife.
Yes, even Lakshmi Ma could not control Narasimha Dev. Only one little 5-year-old boy Prahlad, he said okay, I will do something. आपको पता है प्रहलाद के पास इतना सारा करेज कैसे आया भगवान जी को काम डाउन करने का? कैसे आया शिवांश? क्योंकि उसने बोला मुझे पता है जो नरसिम्हा देव है, ही इज कृष्ण हिमसेल्फ.
Krishna wouldn't hurt any devotee.
And Krishna would not hurt devotee. He just take care of the devotee. But anybody who harm his devotees, he makes sure he teaches them a lesson. So, because Prahlad was so sure.
Wait. If Krishna kills someone with his own hands, won't they go to Vrindavan?
Yes. And not Vrindavan. Golok Vrindavan.
Go.
Yes. Mahi, remember Jaya and Vijay? They anyways have to go back. So Krishna, that was one of the plan of Krishna's Leela, to liberate Jaya and Vijaya.
And next time we will tell you that story.
And next time we will tell you that story. Yes, Jaya Vijaya, who are the doorkeepers of Bhagwanji's house, they become the Rakshas. Right? So absolutely, if Krishna comes and ends somebody's life with his own hands, they would definitely go to Golok Vrindavan. But guess what? Is Krishna coming to do that to you?
No.
No. So the only alternate to go to Golok Vrindavan is by doing puja, by doing Krishna Bhakti, right? So tonight, before we go to bed, what should we do?
A chanting.
A quick chanting. Can we do it? Om Namo Om Namo Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Om Namo Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Om Namo
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Okay, can we say good night to everyone?
Good night. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. We'll see you again with our next story. Hopefully that will interest you as well. Krishna has so many amazing leelas. The more we speak about him is less. So the more we speak is better. So for today, we're saying good night. Oh, Shivansh is so sleepy he cannot stop yawning, right? And same is Mahika. Good night, everyone.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.